Hey guys, today I will tell you how to get Robinhood Gold.
Let's walk through this process together. Currently, I'm in the Robinhood app, and you can see there's a section at the top right labeled Try Gold. Tapping this will take you directly to the Gold sign up page. This might not always be visible though, so I'll show you another way to access it. From the main screen, go to your profile by tapping the person icon at the bottom right. Then hit the hamburger menu in the top left corner. Scroll through the options until you see the gold icon on the right side. Is that distinctive G in gold coloring. When you tap this, you'll enter the gold membership area where you can review all current features, benefits, and pricing. At the bottom of the screen, simply click Continue to proceed. You will then see the agreement section. Take time to read through it carefully. If everything looks good, click Agree to activate your Robinhood Gold. The best part is you can cancel anytime if it's not for you. Remember that gold gives you instant deposits up to $5,000 instead of the standard $1,000. I've created a complete guide on maximizing Robinhood features that I link below.
And that's it guys. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.